Okay. I think you have already practiced that for loop. Very simple, right? But I want to let you know that the range function have something special. The range function can be used range A, it means from 0 to A minus 1, or range A, B, K. A, B, we have already know, but A, B, K means started from A and ended before A, B minus 1. And each time we increase or decrease by the K. Okay, so here, range A and range 0A are totally the same. Yeah, because range A means it's from 0 to A minus 1. So it's totally the same. So sometimes you can see the programmer or some code directly use the range. A means directly he wants the computer direct, for example, 10, you means you want 10 times, but actually it's from the 0 to 9, but totally is totally 10 counts. So the total, they are totally the same. And it actually we just ignore that could be a comma with the K because its initiate default value is 1. It means every time the integer will increase 1. But if you want to have different increase integer and different rules, then you have to tell the computer the functions. For example, K in the range A to B, and K means it's a stepped value. Example, for B in range 3 to 9, the steps have to be 2. Yeah, K here have to be 2. It means it will print 3, 5, 7, and that's would be 9, right? So, but we don't use the 9 because you have to be 8. Yeah, yeah. And the steps, yeah, should be 2 because default is 1. If the default is 1, you don't have to do anything. But if you don't want the default value, you want to have different step value, then you will use the K variable here to tell the function how many steps you want. Okay, we will do that for you. So we create a new one. Yeah, we can for not only we can use A in range. Maybe we call that 10 to print the number A, right? So you can see it's from 0 to 9, right? And if you want it's from 1 to 10, but every time you step is 2, then let's check the result. It would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yeah, not reach the 10, but the steps is 2. So of course you can use the step 3. The result will totally different, right? Okay, so you can try it by yourself. Okay, I want you really do it by yourself. And then we will show another example. In this example, it should be different because K could be negative. K could be negative. From A to B and the K could be negatives. So as you can understand, you can see the first number, because you use the -1, it means the steps have to be minus, decrease every time. So the first number should be the larger one, and the second number should be the smaller one. So the final result will just like that way, because it can be really 1, right? So it will just 2. So we can practice here and do some exercise. For example, and try the result. For example, we use the 10 to 1, 10 to 1, and we use the -1. Yeah. It means it will print until 2. So you will feel very curious why it is until 2. Yeah, it's just like the last one have to be plus 1. Yeah, you cannot reach 1. you just before reach 1, then you have to stop, right? Because the next 2 next is 1, but you can't reach the 1. So you stop here as 2, right? And also you can use the step -2. You will have also different value here. Yeah. So I think the K value in the range can let you control which one do you want to show and what is the steps. It could be positive, it could be negative. And remember, when you use a negative, the initial A value should be larger and the end value should be smaller. So it's your turn. Try it.